Hello children. Today we are going to learn how to write a new letter. Letter D. So we will start from the dot. First we have to make a standing line. So make a standing line, come down, touch the blue line, and then we will start again from the top and make half a round. So we will start turning like this, come down and join it to the standing line. Once again, first we will make a standing line and then again we will start from the dot and make half a round, come down and join it to the standing line, letter D. Okay? So you will write this full page. You will also write on the dotted D and then you will do the activity page. You can paste any picture related to letter D. You can do drawing or a craft work. Happy learning!